Hi everyone, welcome back. So I am doing another quick card with the Simon Says Stamp July 2025 card kit, and I'm going to make a Halloween card. So I've actually made 3 from this card kit using the pattern papers, because the pattern papers are always the bit that stump me. So I've made it my mission with this set, this kit, to make at least 5 cards, which I have done. I've done 2 birthday cards and I'm going to be doing 3 Halloween cards. So I have half a sheet of the creamy colour cardstock that was in the kit. So it's cut in half, then folded in half, so it's an A2 size card. And then I have a piece of the pattern paper. I think I mentioned this in the unboxing video, that this kind of had a spookier look to it to me, the sort of nighttime type scene. So I've cut that to fit the front of the, excuse me, the front of the card. So this is 4 1/4 by 5.5. But I made the most of this pattern paper, so it's going to be a portrait card. And then just to add the Halloween feel to it, because obviously the kit is not Halloween based, so I have Tim Holtz Halloween. These are from the Vault kits. I think these came out, or sets that came out last year, I think. And I managed to get my hands on them. So I'm going to use the Fright word, which is just the coolest font. And then I have the witch, the crow, the cat, and the rat. So I've cut those out all in black, so it's going to have a silhouette. You can sort of see them here. It's going to be a silhouetted type thing. That's what I was thinking, because then it would make the most of the pattern papers. So this is so easy. We're not inking, we're not doing anything. We're going to keep this real simple. So I'm just going to stick this to the panel, to the card. I think I ran out of that one. Guess I need a new one. And this is going to fit the whole front of it, so I will just line that up as best I can on the front here. I don't normally do the whole front because I like a little border, but I thought this was going to work better. So what we have, and let's see if I can get this right, we have Little Miss, and you could add different detail to this. You could add a white pen detail to it. You could emboss it in some clear embossing powder. If you don't have black embossing powder, sparkly embossing powder, just to make it stand out more. But I'm just going for super simple. So I've got her cut out here, and I'm just going to add her to the bottom of the panel. Just like that. So it looks like she's sat, you know, on the edge of the card here. Her little trusty cat right next to her. Everybody wants one of those. Behind the eyes you could also add like green eyes or something. That would be cool. The rat I'm going to add just to her hand here. That. The little crow, I could put him there, but I actually want him on this hand. Thought that was a nice little thing there. And this is how difficult it gets, guys. I'll bring it closer so you can see it even more. You can see it better in real life. And then the word fright, this might be a little tricky, so I want to make sure I get underneath her hat and that, so that we can get it on there so she's in front of it. And there you go, that's it. How easy is that? And honestly, this pattern paper, it's not my style at all, so it was a huge challenge, but it's really nice paper, like it feels really nice, but I really didn't know what to do with it, so I thought, right, 5 cards, 1 kit, let's just do the challenge. Yes, the videos are separate, they're not all in the same video, but there's a very simple Halloween card. And also this background paper, you can see it's got its own sheen. So I think if you had the sheen of this and this was all sort of glossied up with like a embossing powder or something, it might be a bit much. I don't know, can you have too much at Halloween? I'm not sure. Anyway, so there you go. So the word fright, and then the little witch silhouetted with her little crow and her rat and her cat. But how cute is that? And like I say, you can see this better in real life, but there you go, it's a nice angle on it. So I hope this was nice. I hope this was nice. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was a bit of fun for you. And yeah, get stuck into your pattern papers. Let's just find a way to use them because we get them as part of kits. So until next time, guys, bye for now.